Hello, I'm ProTinker. I'm going to show you one today. I designed it, a fully 3D printed, universal quick-release modular desk fixture, relying on dovetail quick-release structure plus split-stressed fuselage. Earphone hook, pen holder storage box, mini desk trash can, universal hook and other accessories. No punching clamping of various thickness table boards. One-handed second change function module. One-stop solution to desktop clutter storage. Office, eSports, manual workbench universal in all scenes. Next shows how to assemble. First, install the inner positioning pin of the main screw. The function of this positioning pin is to prevent the thread from being misplaced front and rear. Pay attention to the installation direction. The function of the dovetail pin is to prevent the thread from cracking laterally. Next, screw in the main nut. Install screw sliding top block. Put an inner spring in the top block. Put the screw in diagonally from the opposite position of the spring notch. This clasp should be very easy to put in. No brute force. This is a one-way inward spring design. Easily insertable but barely removable. Next, install the side panels. Note that these two side panels are different. Install the shorter part of the positioning cylinder first. Take two half shafts with a little waist design. Tuck it through this hole. Then put on the spring. Next, install the remaining two sets of half shafts. Pay attention to the installation position of these three sets of half shafts with a little waist. Next, install the platen front axle. This is a shaft with notches and steps. Don't get it wrong. Insert it through the front hole. Put on U-spring. Install the main nut. Buckle up the largest U-spring. Install the platen and quick lock wrench shaft. Put on the spring. Install quick release lock tongue. Pay attention to the installation direction of the lock tongue. Put the lock tongue into the large hole of the quick release baseplate seat attached. Insert the quick release baseplate first. Install the lock tongue. Mounting spring. Insert two sections of consumable wire between the lock tongue and the spring. Put in the movable pressure plate and quick lock handle. Finally, cover the side panels. Note that the consumable wire should be inserted in alignment. Buckle on the remaining spring and the assembly is complete. This project is made of JO brand PET consumables printing. The appearance of the printed parts is smooth and silky, and it is also particularly suitable for making such load-bearing parts. The quick-release design of the lock allows for easy replacement of accessories. Easy replacement of different accessories with one hand. Top quick lock design allows for easy replacement of different clamping positions.